1, we shall roll out our fun cabin snack bar. Please ask of your cabin crew for snacks option. We'll appreciate if you can give the exact amount. Thank you.